The Orbit Complete Sprinkler System Kit contains everything you'll need to install your own irrigation system in about a day. The kit comes with all of the blue lock pipe and fittings you'll need, a hose faucet timer, and Saturn gear drive sprinklers. To make things easier, it comes with tools like a tubing cutter and a pressure gauge. All you will need is a shovel, marker, tape measure, a flathead screwdriver, and stakes to temporarily secure your sprinklers to the ground. First, test the water pressure at the faucet you plan to use by attaching the included pressure gauge to the hose faucet and turning on the water. The pressure will determine how far your sprinkler heads will spray water. Use the included spacing chart to help you determine how far apart to space your heads. Unroll the coil of blue lock pipe. Let the pipe rest in the sun for approximately 1 hour, which will make the pipe easier to work with. While you're waiting for the pipe, let's plan where each sprinkler head will go. For optimal head-to-head coverage, place each sprinkler head so that its spray reaches adjacent heads. Use the spacing chart you created earlier to determine the distance for ideal placement. Adapt the piping and head layout to your landscape. To ensure proper pressure and spray coverage of your lawn, do not put any more than 3 sprinkler heads on a length of pipe. Connect the timer to the faucet and then connect the blue lock adapter to the timer. The blue lock tubing can now be connected to the timer. Cut the pipe where T's, elbows, and couplings will be located. Mark the blue lock pipe 1 inch from the end before installing the fittings. This mark will help you know how far to push the fittings onto the pipe. Blue lock fittings are unique in their strength, speed, and reuse. You can twist the pipe and fitting where you need it to go without worrying about leaks. If you need to make an adjustment, simply pull back on the fittings tabs, twist and pull, and the fitting will release. The fitting can then be reused. Attach the sprinkler heads and auto drains. Auto drains allow water to drain from the pipe, reducing potential damage to your system. Install the auto drains at the lowest elevation point so that the water will naturally drain from it. Place the pipes, sprinkler heads, and drains in the desired location above ground. Secure your sprinkler heads to the ground so they will not move when you test your system. Turn your water on and look for leaks. Watch each sprinkler head as it runs to ensure that water reaches all of your plants and sprays from head to head. You can improve your coverage by moving sprinkler heads or adjusting the sprinkler with a flathead screwdriver. Once you're satisfied with your system, it's time to bury the pipe. Dig a trench deep enough so that the top of the sprinkler head is level with the ground. Bury your trenches. Shovel and rake soil back into the trench it came from, making sure to compact your trench so soil will not settle and create a tripping hazard in your yard. Replace sod back over your trenches. Now you can program your timer and relax, knowing the easy-to-set Orbit timer will do the rest. Congratulations! You now have a fully automated sprinkler system at a fraction of the price.